Lawn mowing safety and tips with Papa Mows Stuff. Welcome to Papa Mows Stuff. Before you start mowing, it's essential to prioritize safety. Did you know most lawnmower injuries happen due to small mistakes? Let's change that. Begin by wearing protective gear like gloves, sturdy shoes, and safety glasses. Keep your hands and feet far from the blade. Inspect your mower before every use. Check for loose parts, sharp blades, and proper fuel levels. A quick inspection can save you from costly repairs and keep your equipment functioning smoothly. Remember, safety is your best friend when it comes to yard work. Before starting the mower, take a quick survey of your lawn. Pick up debris such as rocks, branches, and toys that may damage your mower or become flying hazards. Clear pathways to avoid unnecessary stops while mowing. Adjust your mower's height to suit the grass type and length. Cutting grass too short weakens the lawn, making it prone to weed invasions. Papa's tip: aim for the sweet spot, don't scalp your grass, nurture it. Let's fire it up. With the mower on a flat surface outdoors, start the engine following the manufacturer's guidelines. Never start your mower inside a garage or enclosed space due to exhaust fumes. Once running, push the mower at a steady pace. Avoid pulling it backward unless absolutely necessary to maintain better control and visibility. Use slow, deliberate movements for clean, even cuts. With practice, you'll achieve that crisp, professional-looking lawn. Consistency ensures a beautifully trimmed yard. Mow in straight lines, slightly overlapping each pass to prevent patches of uneven grass. For efficient mowing, switch directions every few sessions to avoid wear patterns and strengthen your lawn. Listen to your mower. Struggling sounds mean the blades might be dull or your grass is too high. Stop, assess, and fix the issue. A healthy lawn comes from going slow and steady, not rushing. After mowing, clean the deck to remove clippings and dirt buildup. Regularly sharpen your blades. Dull ones tear grass instead of cutting cleanly. Store mowers in dry spaces and perform routine maintenance to keep them reliable for years. Now you're equipped with the expertise to mow safely and effectively, just like Papa. Ready to transform your lawn care routine? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your questions for Papa Mows Stuff in the comments below. Share this video to help fellow homeowners master their mowing skills and build safer, happier yards together. Let's grow the community one lawn at a time. At